In this video, we are going to show you a bunch of ways to watch free TV and movies on your Roku devices. Number 1. Lowcast. The first method is a channel on your Roku device called Lowcast. When you get in Lowcast for the first time, you will be asked to select a region. Once you have done, you go right to the guide, okay? The guide is actually pretty nice, and as you scroll down, you will see there's a lot of channels. Here you get, just click on it and the quality is just as good as anything you had get on cable. Number 2, Tubi TV. If you go over the left, it gives you all the headings. So you have like movie night, comedy, and even has a lot Netflix area most popular drama, highly rated new releases. They claim to have about 7,000 titles in this service. Pluto. Roku channel called Pluto. Click the main menu on the Pluto TV, has live TV and then free movies. You go into the live, basically you will see that it categorizes, there's a guide right there and it categorizes everything for you. There is over 100 channels on your here. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.